A little progress each day adds up to big results. A very pleasant morning, dear children. Welcome to Max class. Today our topic is algebra. In previous class you have learnt about remainder theorem. Theorem is if a polynomial p of x of degree greater than or equal to 1 is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a, where a is any real number. Significance of the remainder theorem. It enables us to find the remainder without actually following the cumbersome process of long division. Note: if p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Here the linear polynomial is x plus a, so x plus a is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus a. Therefore the remainder is p of minus a. If p of x is divided by ax plus b, then the remainder is p of minus b by a. That is, ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax is equal to plus b comes as minus b. Then x is equal to minus b by a. Therefore the remainder is p of minus b by a. If p of x is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is p of b by a. That is, the linear polynomial ax minus b is equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus b comes as plus b. Then x is equal to b by a. Therefore, the remainder is p of b by a. Example problem. For what value of k is the polynomial 2x power 4 plus 3x power 3 plus 2kx square plus 3x plus 6 exactly divisible by x plus 2? Let the given polynomial be p of x. Solution: let p of x is equal to the given polynomial we can mention as p of x. Given p of x is exactly divisible by x plus 2. Exactly divisible by x plus 2. That means the remainder is 0. And by the remainder theorem, the linear polynomial x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. Plus 2 comes as minus. So x equal to minus 2. Therefore the remainder is p of minus 2. So remainder is equal to 0. That is p of minus 2 equal to 0. To find the value of k, p of x is equal to 2x power 4 plus 3x power 3 plus 2kx square plus 3x plus 6. So now we are taking p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So in the place of x we are going to substitute minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 the whole power 4 plus 3 into minus 2 the whole power 3 plus 2k into minus 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So 2 into minus 2 the whole power 4 is 16. Minus is even number of times, so it will come as plus 16. So 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 2k into minus 2 the whole square is plus 4. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 and plus 6 will be get cancelled. So 2 16s are 32 and 3 into minus 8 is minus 24. 2k into 4 is 8k equal to 0. So 32 minus 24 is 8 plus 8k equal to 0. So 8k equal to plus 8 comes as minus 8. So k equal to minus 8 by 8. So we can cancel both. So k equal to minus 1. So answer is p of x is exactly divisible by x plus 2 when k is equal to minus 1. Sixth problem. If two polynomials 2x power 3 plus ax square plus 4x minus 12 and x power 3 plus x square minus 2x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 3. Find the value of a and also find the remainder. Let the two polynomials be p of x and q of x. So P of x is first polynomial ax square plus 4x minus 12, and Q of x is x power 3 plus x square minus 2x plus a. Here given P of x and Q of x is divided by x minus 3 and leave the same remainder. So when you are dividing x minus 3, when you are dividing by x minus 3, we'll get the same remainder. To find value of a and also find the remainder. So by the remainder theorem, linear polynomial x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to minus 3 comes as plus 3. Therefore, the remainder is both polynomials are divided by x minus 3. So we can mention remainder is equal to P of 3 equal to Q of 3. We'll get the same remainder. So remainder is equal to P of 3 and Q of 3. Same remainder we can mention as capital R. Therefore, from the first polynomial, P of x is 2x power 3 plus ax square plus 4x minus 12. So here P of 3 we are going to find out. That is, instead of x we can substitute 3. So 2 into 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 12. P of 3 we can take it as capital R. So remainder is equal to 2 into 3 cube is 27 plus a into 3 square is 9 plus 4 3s are 12 and minus 12. Plus 12 and minus 12 will be cancelled. So remainder is equal to 2 27s are 54 plus 9a. Therefore, second polynomial Q of x is equal to x power 3 plus x square minus 2x plus a. So we are going to find out Q of 3. So in the place of x we are going to substitute 3. So 3 cube plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus a. Q of 3 already we have mentioned as capital R, that is a remainder. So 3 cube is 27, 3 square is 9 minus 3 2s are 6 plus a. So remainder is equal to 27 plus 9 is 36 minus 6 plus a. That is equal to, our remainder is 36 minus 6 is 30 plus a. So from 1 and 2, the remainders are same. Therefore, both left sides are equal. That is, 54 plus 9a is equal to 30 plus a. So we can group all the a one side and constants one side. So plus a comes as minus a and plus 54 comes as minus 54. Therefore 9a minus a equal to 30 minus 54. So 9a minus a is 8a equal to 30 minus 54 is minus 24. Therefore a is equal to minus 24. Multiplication comes as division. Then 8 ones are 8 3s are 24. Therefore a is equal to minus 3. So we have found value of a. Now we are going to find out the value of remainder. So remainder already we have mentioned as P of 3 is equal to Q of 3 equal to R. So we can take any one equation. Here 30 plus A is a small equation, so we can find out the remainder from that. So from second equation, 30 plus A equal to R. So 30, A value is minus 3 equal to R. So 30 minus 3 is 27 equal to R. Therefore the remainder is 27. Therefore the remainder is plus 27. Here you can verify another equation also, that is 54 plus 9A is equal to R. That is 54 plus 9 into minus 3 equal to remainder. So 54, 9 3s are 27. Here minus is there, plus into minus is minus, equal to R. 54 minus 27 is 27. So remainder will get the same. Therefore answer is value of A is minus 3 and the remainder is 27. It's time for homework. In exercise 3.3, fifth problem, for what value of k is the polynomial p of x equal to 2x cube minus kx square plus 3x plus 10 exactly divisible by x minus 2. Exactly divisible means the remainder is 0. Then 11th problem, if x minus 1 divides the polynomial kx cube minus 2x square plus 25x minus 26 without remainder, then find the value of k. Here without remainder is given, so linear polynomial is equal to 0. That is, remainder is equal to 0. I hope you all have understood the remainder theorem. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe, take care.